usurpers! Suffer nature's wrath! Destroy the wicked! Defilers! Begone, monsters! Oh, be patient, sapling. As you wish. For the trees, leave it to me. Let's root another route. As the wind blows. No mana! What troubles you, child? Don't fear the wild. All trees, be they oak, ash, or redwood, are my children. Come into the shade, no evil can see you there. Do not be hasty, that is my motto. I speak the language of trees. Yes, I have no idea what it means either. Save a tree! Burn a book! Oh, no, please stop. No, oh, no. Oh, like stupid squirrels are crawling all over me. There must be ragweed around here somewhere. Would you stop clicking? You're barking up the wrong tree. Now you'll be good soil for my children. I'll snap you like a twig.